Hello, this is Ryan at Prince George Fuel Injection. Today I just want to make a quick video on a disturbing trend we're seeing in the diesel industry. These 8 glow plugs came out of a 2000 Ford F350 7.3 Power Stroke. Now, all 8 glow plugs have failed and they are only about a year old, which is a bit of a concern. And there are some questionable brands out there that can fail that quickly, but the customer had stated that these were genuine Motorcraft glow plugs. And when you look at them, you can see it does say Beirut on the glow plug and has the Beirut part number as well. And that is the OE for the 7.3 Power Stroke. So they would appear to be the original equipment part. But when you compare it to an actual Beirut glow plug, you start to see some subtle differences. One being the finish, but also the crimp on the top. The insulator is a bit thicker. The threads are longer on this glow plug. And even the way that the text is applied to the glow plug is quite different. So these are counterfeit glow plugs. Unfortunately, you really have to be careful purchasing your products online. There are many sources where these can show up. Obviously, the quality of the glow plug is quite questionable, and if you're familiar with the 7.3 Power Stroke, glow plugs that fail and of poor quality can swell the tips and be very difficult to remove from the engine, and in the worst case scenario, the cylinder head may have to be removed. So we just want to kind of advise people to be careful when shopping online. We're starting to see a lot more of this. We've had a number of common rail Bosch injectors come through our door that were counterfeit this year. Again, very poor quality, failing right out of the box. So just something to be aware of. I hope this video can save a few people some grief, and thanks for watching.